We're gonna do Up All Night by the Viagra Boys. It's a good beginner song because it's only got 4 chords. It's got D, and then it's got A, G, A, G. Up all night trying to build a machine. Replace my eyes with some LEDs. It's funny lyrics. And it's kind of like dance music. Okay? It's kind of got an odd kind of rhythm. It's like so it's like 1, 2 quick, and then 1, 2 even. There's a little breakdown transition where they go C, 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 A, A. But most of the song. He's like, you ask me a question and the answers appear on screen. I've been up all night building a machine. All right, so that's a nice, easy, beginner-friendly song for Viagra Boys. Up All Night. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.